Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about smart way to start making money in crypto in 2022. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. So let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Even though the market is correcting, you can still make money with crypto as long as you choose safe ways to make passive income. So how do APY and APR work? I will talk a lot about APY, so I should explain what it is. APY stands for annual percentage yield. It is the total return on an investment over a year with compound interest, which means that the interest is added to the principal instead of being taken out. You shouldn't confuse APY with APR, which is annual percentage rate, because APR doesn't take into account compound interest. The difference between the two gets bigger the more often interest is added. The APY is the rate of return you will usually see on websites for investing in crypto. Don't forget that if you always take out the interest, you will end up making less than the APY. If you want passive income and peace of mind, it's best to focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether, which are the three biggest cryptocurrencies. Together, they make up 70% of the value of the whole market. Each of these cryptocurrencies gets its value from its own source. Bitcoin is the best cryptocurrency to invest in, and many people think that one day it will be worth more than 100,000 US dollars. One reason is that it's hard to get. The maximum number of Bitcoins that can exist is 21 million, and as time goes on, fewer and fewer Bitcoin will be added to the markets. Ethereum is the fuel for the world's largest DApp ecosystem, and it should become more valuable as Ethereum changes into the much more scalable Ethereum version 2 USDT is the biggest stablecoin. It's always worth $1, so traders and investors use it to make money and protect their capital during times of volatility. Sites where you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency. So at crypto.com, we have stable coins like USDC having an annual percentage yield of 6 to 12%. Bitcoin annual percentage yield of 4.5%. And at Midas Investments, stable coins such as USDC annual percentage yield of up to 17%, and an APY of 19% on Bitcoin. At Nexo, stablecoins such as USDC, annual percentage yield of up to 12% and up to 7.46% on Bitcoin. Hodinotes, stablecoins like USDC, annual percentage yield as high as 12.73% and 7.46% on Bitcoin. On BlockFi, stablecoins have an annual percentage yield of 8.25% and Bitcoin 0.1% to 4.5% annual percentage yield. With Coinbase, stablecoins like USDC have an annual percentage yield of 4%, with Bitcoin having 1.25%. Even though crypto prices have been going down, there is no reason to talk about a bear market. The long-term trend is still going up and the next leg could be strong as well. The correction gives people a rare chance to save money when they buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Binance, and other cryptocurrencies. But volatility is likely to stay high over the next few months. So people who own assets should do their own research before putting money into any tools. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't also forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.